Hi, welcome. Now I'm going to show you how to use the sorter functionality in Excel. Now what I have, the data is the product and the customers to whom it is sold, and also the every quarter how much is the sales. Okay, this customer itself could be companies, because they have the quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3 sales for this company, but they are the wholesale leader, wholesale suppliers. They are supplying to the other customers, the retail customers. So from the customer data, they also have for quarter 1 how much amount they raise from the particular customer. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I will show you how to sort this data. Okay, I want to sort this data according to the product. Okay, I just in sort, it is there in the sort is there in the data, and you have this A to Z, sort A to Z, lowest to highest. This is sort highest to lowest. Okay, these two are shortcuts, and you can sort it using this, and this sorts with the active column, the first column. Okay, the first active column, from where you select the selection. Okay, so if you see, the product column is active. Even though you select these 6 columns, you have the product column is active. You can see it is the mark is white color, and the others are in selection color. Okay, this set is selected. So this first row is treated as the sorting row. Okay, so I press this one. What happens? You see, it sorted the product. Alice Mutton comes here because of A, the alphabet A, AL, then AN, and so on. You see, and if you sort this one according to sort Z to A, highest to lowest, what happens? You see, the last product, which is starting with the V, comes first, then V, U, and this order. Okay, in ascending order, alphabetical ascending order. Okay, this is the sorting functionality for these shortcuts. Okay, then how we use the sort function. Okay, so how can we use the sort function? This sort function is using for find values quickly by sorting your data. This one you need to select which column you want to use it as a sorting column, as well as what are the other columns you want to follow on with that. Okay, so how to use this one? You select the data, then go to sort. Then you can see the header. My data has headers. If you have headers, use headers. If you check headers, it will give you the first row values as headers. If you uncheck it, then it will show you column A, column B, and so on. We have headers: product, customer, quarter 1 sales, quarter 2 sales, and so on. So I select data as headers. Okay, then what I will do is I will go and see, this is product. I want to select sort cell values. Okay, and you also have cell color and font and so on. Okay, so we usually use the option is for data is cell values. Then we want to sort it using alphabetical order A to Z. Okay, press OK. You can see here the product is sorted, and according to the option we selected here, which is the first column. Okay, product. Okay, the remaining columns also the respective values also brought back for customer quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3 and quarter 4. But if you want to select if you want to sort product as well as customer, how to do that? Okay, you select all the data, then go to sort. Now you have a product and cell values A to Z. Then after that, after sorting the product, then you sort inside the customer. Okay, or you can also think this one as a composite column of product and customer. So I'm adding the next level, then sort by product, then by customer. I want to select by customer. Now you can check this customer as Tech, Pico, Bolid, Bottom, White Sea, something Sieves and so on. This is not in alphabetical order. You can see the Anton comes in the 13th 14th record. Actually it is 13 if you remove the header, 13th record. But W and S products customers are coming before Anton. Okay, now I want to sort the customer also into in sorting order. How to do that? Okay, now you can see Alice, the product is also sorted, and the within the product the customer also sorted. Okay, Anton, Burgess and so on. You can see for all the data, Boston crab meat, Anton bugs and so on. Okay, so this the way you can sort it. You can add other levels also. For example, within that after selecting the customer, if same customer is repeated here, you can sort the quarter 1, quarter 2. Or what I can do, I can show you in a different way. I sort it for customer product, but not for customer. Okay, delete the level. I'm going to add instead quarter 1. Okay, quarter 1, but this time I'm going to sort it largest to smallest. Okay, you can see here the product is sorted and alphabetical order, but I also know the within the product who is making more sales in in descending order. Okay, in quarter 1 you can see this way, and you can play with this and understand how the sorter function works. Okay, but another thing you want to remember here is that if you select two columns here, you can check this is the first 4 values are for, I just put it here for reference. Okay, this is Alice, Bota, Ernest and Bugs and Hunks. Okay, these 4 values, biggest values. Okay, also put the quarter 1 values. Okay, you go here, then I will select 2 columns only for some reason. Okay, for some reason you are selecting 2 columns only. When you go and sort it, okay, then it will show you the same thing. I want to sort it for product, but from descending order. Okay, then you press OK. It is sorting the first 2 columns, right? So you must be very careful when you sort. When you use it, it will sort only those columns. Actually these values are for different product and customer. You can see here. Okay, so when you select 2 columns or only a few columns, you must be very careful why do you want to do that. Okay, if a record is having the corresponding values in other columns, you cannot just sort part of the columns or part of the data to do the sorting. For that, the sort warning is coming here, and always you can see this kind of window. It started telling you the data found. Microsoft Excel found a data next to your selection. Since you have not selected this data, it will not be sorted. What do you want to do? Expand the selection or continue with the current selection? This the warning is the best warning you can see in this sorting. When you receive the sort warning, you must be very careful. You check it whether the selection what you are doing is meaningful or not. Is it for the purposefully you are doing, or you unknowingly you are doing? Always, for my understanding, if you select a part of data, you sort it, and then you for some purpose then revert back, okay? Or if you do this one unknowingly, what happens? Only a part of data, and the other part of data is not the actual matching values. It could be the different values for the other customer and products, okay? So you must be very careful on the selection. So you expand the selection, that is the default here. You say expand the selection, it will automatically expand all the data included. Or if you want only for a part of data, you want to do only the part of data for purposefully, you can select, okay? So you when the expand the selection warning appears, that is the one you must be very careful while doing this sorting. There are a lot of people, I know, the reporting purposes, they just wanted to select sort, and they wrongly selecting a few columns unselected, and the figures become very wrong in the reporting, okay? So be careful on that part. Hope my video is helpful to you, and if you like my videos, just subscribe to my channel, and God bless you.